Hi everyone, I hope you're well. I just wanted to make this quick video because I wanted to jump on because I've been thinking, I have an idea and I wanted to kind of like put it out there to see who might be interested in joining me. So as most of you already know, I am a women's community builder. I build places and spaces for women to thrive, and I've been involved in property for quite a while now. So I bought 8 houses around, I would say maybe kind of between 12 to 15 years ago is when I bought most of my properties. And I am a lover of all things property, housing, homes, bricks, mortar, all that kind of thing. It is definitely my lane. It's definitely where I am supposed to be and where it's where I get the most joy. But alongside that, you know, with building the women's homes and building the B3 women's home, you know, we all know that housing and accommodation is just a basic human need, really, and a basic human right. So everybody needs somewhere to live, basically, and everyone should have somewhere safe and nice and comfortable to live. So one of the things that I've been thinking is that I'd like to create a place and a space for women to help other women, but also in helping other women, they're also helping themselves. And I've been thinking about this for a while now. What's the best way to do that? Because I have people asking me, you know, how did you buy the 8 houses? How did you get started in property? How can I get on the housing ladder? How can I become an investor? All that kind of good stuff. And even though it is, you know, still a bit of a challenging industry to be in, because of the way, especially in the UK, you know, the government is making changes to landlords and being property investors and developers. They're making it a little bit more tricky. There are always workarounds and there's always ways of doing things. So I wanted to create something that would help other women be able to, you know, help other women. So an idea that I am working on at the moment is something called Women Building Women and Wealth. So what it will be is it will be a membership site. So there'll be a paid fee. You'd have to pay a fee to join this membership site. But in this site, you will learn all about property, investing in property, what to do, what not to do. And you know, you'll get access to me and the knowledge and skills that I've got in investing. And also you'll be able to join me on the journey of 1, building the women's homes, and 2, I've sold off a few of my properties because I'm looking at leveling up. So I'm looking at, you know, bigger developments, you know, a lot more money involved in that. And the more money that, you know, we all earn, the more people we can help and the more comfortable we will be and our families will be. So you'll be joining me on that journey of leveling up to bigger developments, how to do that, looking at commercial developments, how to do the whole commercial side as well, because that's something new to me. So, you know, I'll be learning that and I'll be bringing all the people that I know that I'm learning from to the group and to the circle in order to help you. So I'm creating an inner circle of women, like-minded women that want to invest in property, want to make money from property in order to either support other women or to support themselves, you know, because obviously, like they say on a plane, you have to put the oxygen mask on yourself first before you can help others. So I want to create this community and this circle of women that are investing in property. And it could be that you invest in one of my B3 homes, which you know is there to help women. But it's also helping you because you're getting a return on your investment as well. Do you know what I mean? So it's an idea that I've had for a little while that I feel like I should launch. And if it's something that you're interested in, I'm going to leave a link down below for you to sign up. Just put your name, email in for the wait list, so that when I do launch the membership site, when I do launch the platform, you'll be the first to know. You will come in at the lowest level, the lowest fee. There will be the lowest price that it will ever be. It will never be lower than that price again. And you will come in at that price, and the price will only get get higher, you know, as time goes on. But for the founding members of the circle, you'll come in and you'll stay at that price. You know, I will not raise it. You will stay at that level. So if you're interested in investing in property, if it's something that you've always wanted to do, but you're not quite sure how to do it, and you want to be in a group and a circle of like-minded women that are out there also earning money, building wealth, but also doing good, then sign up down below. Click the link down below, sign up. That will put you on the wait list, and as soon as I'm ready to roll out the membership site, you will be the first to know. So don't forget, it will be a membership site with access to me, access to experts, because I don't know everything, of course. You know, it was a long time ago when I bought property. Things have changed since then. So I'll be bringing in the experts that you need to be able to help you, whether it's like what company to form, tax experts, mortgage experts, you know, how to do a HMO, whatever it is. I'll find the right people and I'll bring them in and I'll share them with you. So if you're interested in that, click the link down below, sign up, and I will, you know, I'll stick you on the wait list and send you out more information as soon as it's ready.